welcome back to my channel. So this video is actually really kindly sponsored by Estrid. So they have sent me some products and I'm going to be doing a review for you guys. I first discovered Estrid on Instagram, as probably pretty much all of you did too, and they kindly sent me the starter kit to try. Then I proceeded to do the actual subscription and here I am. Let me know what you guys think of Estrid. Have you tried them before? Do you enjoy using their products? Because I would love to hear other people's opinions and share some insight into others who may want to try it out and they haven't before. So Estrid is a Scandinavian razor brand which are cruelty free and vegan, and quite a lot of you may know, we might not know. I have really been trying to buy cruelty free products. I'm using up the products that I've already got, but I think trying to take that step to go cruelty free is such an important thing, especially in the skincare and makeup scheme of everything. So it's really exciting to find a brand that are cruelty free. The Estrid starter kit is £7.95, which comes in this really cute little box that you can see right now. So in the starter kit it comes with the steel razor, 2 of the 5-blade cartridges and 1 wool holder. And then if you want anything extra, obviously that is extra. The subscription is then £9.95 and you can do it every month, every 2 months or every 3 months. I've opted for every 3 months, but you can change it halfway through if you decide actually I need it more often or less. In the subscription box you get 4 of the refill cartridges. So they sent me the pink one, which is my favourite colour, so it's very, very fitting. What I love about these is how heavy they are. They just feel really sturdy. They're not going to break, and obviously you don't want them to break because you reuse them. They're going to last for ages. But if you do happen to break it, which good luck, they do have some on their website, so you can just rebuy the handle if you need to. One thing that I really love that they include is the wool holder. I know it's such like a basic thing, but the fact that I can just keep my razor stuck on the wall in my shower it's easy access for when I need it. I keep it just to the side of where my shower is, and it's the perfect place for me to just grab and use whenever I need it in the shower. And so they do sell a travel case which doesn't come in the starter kit, which is £5.95. Again, you can get this to match your razor. So the razors come in blush, peach, cloud, space and lemonade, I think. Might not need the travel case at all. I originally didn't have one, but I decided I would buy one because I really need it. But it's just really great. You just slot it in and you're ready to go. Obviously at the moment we can't really travel, but if you're travelling anywhere, even if you're going, I don't know, to and from your parents' place or your boyfriend's place or whatever, you have got your razor and you've not got any chance of accidentally catching yourself on it. I also really love their packaging. I love how just slimline this is. This is the starter kit and this could probably fit through your letterbox, which is really, really great. Everything is recyclable, all of these bits that it comes in, which obviously is just so important. If you do decide that you want more of their products, you would then get, in again, quite a small box like this. Do you guys use shaving cream? If so, they do have some. I've always been one of those people who I will have it in my cupboard, but sometimes I'll use it, sometimes I don't use it. I've got quite sensitive skin, so a lot do irritate it, but Estrid's one doesn't actually irritate my skin. It's made with aloe, shea and coconut oil. I think it's just the one size, the 150ml. Smells really lush. And yeah, so once you're in the shower, you just pop this on, lather it up, and then you can just go ahead and shave it off, and it makes your legs super duper soft, which is really great. Then they also have, which I've bought myself as well, is the Mood Cancel Plans, which is their vegan body oil wash. This is made with sunflower, cloudberry and almond oil. This is a 250ml, so it does come with a lid, but it also comes with a separate pump. Super easy to just be able to pump it in the shower rather than having to pour it. I feel like that just gets messy and there's loads of wastage. Pop it on your legs or wherever you want to use it, and yeah, you just wash it off, and again your legs are then super smooth, and I really love the feeling of this. It just feels so nice, especially putting it on. It's so soft and I can't even explain it. Once you get out of the shower, we have the Mood Body Shot. This is body lotion. I don't know if you're like me, but I always forget to use body lotion. Body lotion, body butter, I always forget, which is kind of bad because then you get dry legs. Nobody wants dry legs. So, their Mood Body Shot, again, vegan. It's made with aloe, shea and canola oil, and yeah, this is a really nice consistency. In comparison to a body butter, it's a bit thinner, more runny, and so you don't need that much. You literally need like a tiny bit. Pop it on your hands and then rub it into wherever you want to use it. I use it on my legs. I would also use it on my arms, usually getting out the shower, just wherever I feel like needs a little bit more moisture. And again, the combination of those three things and the razor, super smooth. For me, I don't like to use like shaving cream or oil or anything like on my armpits. They're very sensitive, but I like to use these on my legs. Has worked fine for me. I do have sensitive skin. Obviously everyone's skin's different. If it's super duper sensitive, then like just be careful, because obviously everyone's skin reacts differently to products. But for me, I have found that these have been really great. One thing that I do love about Estrid is their whole just kind of ethos in that they're a razor brand, so they're trying to sell to people. Their whole thing is, if you don't want to shave, don't buy a product. You don't have to shave. And I think that is such an important thing, especially with society at the moment. And I just love that whole thing of use it if you want to, you don't have to. Shave your armpits, you don't have to. Shave your legs, you don't have to. And I just think that is a really inspiring thing to be sharing. As you can see, I thoroughly love this brand. I mean, the fact that I bought some of the products myself anyway shows how much I actually genuinely do enjoy it. And I think for a brand that is getting a lot of recognition, they're getting recognition for the right reasons. I just think they're generally a really great, wholesome brand, and I look forward to continuing to use their products. I just think it's really great, really easy to have a subscription and not just have to go to the shop all the time and pick it up, just to know that it's going to come. And also I think it's really great because I am really bad at changing my razor. I just forget. I just shave. So the fact that it will just arrive on my doorstep means, oh yeah, I need to change my razor, which is so helpful because I've probably been using a gross razor for way too long. You're meant to change it between 5 to 7 times after use, so to have a subscription box that just reminds me is fab. I think this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed and kind of gave you a little insight into the kind of thing that you may want to purchase yourself if you've been eyeing it up for a while and not sure whether it's worth the money. For me, it's definitely worth the money because it's something that I use on a regular basis. If you don't shave that often, maybe it's not, but for me, it's great. It's a really great thing to have. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, don't forget to let me know in the comments what you've thought about it all, and I will see you all soon with another video. Bye! I can't breathe without your love.